gotten back to me either.
Peter in the chat, can we bring you on as a small testimonial? Just answer us in the chat. And the first two people that answer us, we're bringing them on. Jeremy, also from South Africa. I know that you're here in the line. Can we bring you on? Answer us in the chat. Jeremy.
Let's do this while we're waiting for somebody to step up. Let's go ahead and just give some Bitcoin away so we don't have too much time here. So I'm going to go ahead.
Yes, I'm here for Jeremy, buddy.
Okay. Let's give the Bitcoin away, and then we'll bring Jeremy on. Jeremy, just if you want to make him your co-host, Luigi.
I cannot because it's only the host who can do that, buddy.
Okay, so let me go ahead and make him a co-host real quick. And in fact, while I'm getting everything set up, Jeremy, if you want to.
Yeah, I'm going to interview him 2 seconds. Perfect.
Okay, let's bring him on.
Hello, Jeremy. You want to unmute yourself right now? And
yes. Let me just step away from my family there, Luigi, having a glass of wine, enjoying the. Woo!
I see. Besides doing the once a week a webinar with Shane, I also see you following us often on every day. I see your name there often. And the other day you were sparing about a little testimonial, and I think it's important to share that to the community because see, it's not just about how much money can we make, the community, like everything that we share, it's all important. It all works together as one unit, okay? To why we're all having so much success. And I mean everybody. Everybody in CashFX is having success. You want to know why? I'll tell you why. Because there's no auto ship. Because whatever initial package that you decide to start with, it's actually going to double. Depends on the trading results, but it's going to double with time. So at the end of the day, nobody loses. Yes, exactly. Nobody loses. That's why this is so exciting. Now, somebody's asking in the chat, 20% withdrawal fee. Listen, that 20% withdrawal fee is coming all back to us. Half of that money is going to the rank. You know the prizes that we showed you? Well, that money has to come out of somewhere, right? Well, half of that money is going to help out the prizes. And prizes are good in a company. Who does not like reaching a rank and getting a prize? Come on, it's like a cherry on a sundae. Listen, Jeremy, I want you to share to the community. I love your testimonial the other day. You're a Forex trader. Why you like this, why people need to really listen to it. Just give them a little bit of your background and what you've been trading and why this kind of grew on you. So it's all yours, Jeremy.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Luigi and Justin, for all you guys are doing. And for you guys on the call who are taking a look at this information today, right? I saw this idea in November last year. A good friend of mine, Shane, came to show me the information, but didn't really go through the entire presentation. He just got me on the phone and told me about what CashFX was about. And at the time, I was very busy with my students because I've been trading Forex for about 7-8 years, guys. And I've also started my own school where I was teaching people how to trade Forex, okay? So for the last 2 years, I've been doing that. And it's really been a amazing journey because I've been able to, help people make an extra income through the financial market. But the problem is, a lot of people end up losing their money in the market because of psychology, because of their mindset around trading, and they really just go too aggressively. Most people can only start with a $300 account. So they over leverage that $300 account, hoping that they're going to make $10,000, and they end up blowing that money anyway. So when I looked at this opportunity properly, I realized that, my ego wasn't my amigo. And Shane kept sharing this information online, and I saw at the end of March this year that he made a return of 30% for the month. So what that forced me to do was go to my own trading account and take a look at my results and compare them to those of CashFX. And I found I was only making around 10, 15, if I was lucky, 20% a month. And I was a very conservative trader, but I was happy with those results because I was beating the bank by almost 700% in a year. And I was happy with those returns. But who wouldn't be happy with making 20 to 30% a month, without having to trade? And so I plugged into this company at the end of April this year and just started sharing the idea, showing some of my friends, showing some of my family. And within the first month, guys, I signed up over 20 people into the business. And because of that, I've been able to turn my $1,000 account into $7,000. I just upgraded the other day. So like, I'm so blown away. I'm so excited about what CashFX has brought into my family's life and into my students. And I'm really just looking forward to sharing this with as many people as I can, because I want to help them. You know, I want to help them make money, and I want to help them not blow their account and earn while they learn. You know, so this is coming from a professional Forex trader. You know, I trade for a living, but CashFX is able to make me more money than I'm able to make. You know, so
I mean, that's, please, guys, did you just hear what he just said?
Amen.
I mean, everything he's shared for the last is powerful, but I mean, just that sentence is worth all the money in the world. He's a professional trader. He's learned. He's put a lot of hours learning the trade. And when he saw this, he said, "My God, the numbers that these guys are actually popping out without me having to work to do it." Now, maybe you're a good trader. Yes, we're not saying that everybody here is not a trader. Maybe you're good at trading. But do we agree that the majority of people are going to lose money? Yes, we asked everybody. I tried trading, I lost money. So the average person is going to lose money. So isn't it nice to bring in your community, your friends, or network, or whatever, and you know that whatever they're going to do, or whatever amount they feel comfortable with. We're never telling people to put in more than they can afford to lose. Like anything, there's always risk in anything that you do. But what we tried to do, me and Justin at the beginning, we tried to evaluate the risk. That's all we did. We tried to evaluate. Justin looks at me and we look, okay, what do we need to know? The owners, the office, is the trade real? Could these guys, I mean, is this comp plan sustainable? Can it actually survive a year, 2 years? Like that, all those are all the questions we wanted to know. And I'm sorry, they passed on every level. Like,
Don't be sorry.
it's like,
Don't be sorry.
it's like, it's all going
I'm not sorry.
Me neither.
So, Jeremy, thanks. I know that you're excited.
Yeah, brother.
I know that you're going to have a lot of success with us. You just started lately. You know, you weren't there at the very beginning. And I'm not worried about you. You're going to fly up the ranks very, very fast.
Already flying. He's got manager on his sights, man.
Perfect.
I know he does. Thanks for hopping on, Jeremy.
you guys, leadership, man, anything is possible, you know?
Yeah.
We have the best in the world. We have the best in the world to teach us how to do it. So you just guys follow the lead. Success leaves clues, man. Just follow what you guys are doing. And you can all win, you know? It's very simple.
Like you said, man, your ego's not your amigo, man. Drop the ego and jump in. I love that. I'm stealing that, man. We have the deal.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Let's give some Bitcoin away. Jeremy, stick around, buddy. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let me go ahead and share this little part of the screen. And we have on the call today. For those of you that have stuck around till the end and listened and watched and paid attention, we have 45 guests on the call today. 45 on a Friday.
Boom.
So, man, when you look at it, we're doing calls every day. We get 40 to 70 to 80 guests on every call every day. I mean, that's still pretty good numbers, eh? But you know what? What I love is when I see a smile on somebody who really needs it, who wants to join CashFX, and that extra Bitcoin might be the difference between joining now or having to wait a little bit. That really makes sense.
I'm glad you said that, buddy, and I'm going to share this. This was a comment on the live stream in Facebook, and so just give me a second. I took a screenshot of it. Listen to this. I just want to share this, and then we're gonna do a random drawing number here. This is actually what it's all about, you guys. Yes, we give some Bitcoin away. Yes, somebody is going to have an opportunity to take that Bitcoin and put it towards the cost of their contract. But this is what it's about. This wraps up and sums up everything we're doing 7 days a week. Hello, this is from Merle. Hello, didn't win the Bitcoin, but I'm so excited to announce that I'm finally a part of this amazing team. Since today, I have taken action and I've signed up with my $300 locomotive fast moving package. Thank you to my amazing husband, Lorne, for leading the way. Watch this space as we take off. That's what it's all about. Yes, we're going to give some Bitcoin away, but if you're not a winner, do not let that slow you down. Take advantage of the information that you've received
Well,
today?
listen, just between me and you, Justin. Okay, let's say I was here for the first time. I'm not a CashFX member. I see the global webinars that you're doing. I see you're giving away Bitcoins every day to a guest. You know what I would think to myself? Okay, I'd be on the call 1, 2 times, 3 times. Listen, you can't win. I mean, not everybody can win because you're only giving away one winner on every day. So if I use my intelligence and I say, listen, I might as well join right away instead of inviting people to come win Bitcoins. I'll probably make more money joining right away, inviting
There you
people
go.
than trying to win for the trying to wait for the Bitcoin.
There you go.
100%, dude. I mean, that's the logic of what we're doing. So,
Yep.
who wants to win some Bitcoin? We got 45 guests. We're going to hit this number right here. Let me get the
Do
list
it.
out. Thank you so much, Sally, for your hard work and commitment to the team. We greatly appreciate it. 45 guests going once, twice, and generate.
Number 37.
37. I mean, I like putting it in here first and just seeing if they're in this, and they are, because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unmute. And the winner today is number 37 is Chidozie Opara. Chidozie Opara.
You want to stop sharing, Justin?
I can stop sharing. Chidozie, you are unmuted. Can you hear us?
Yes, yes, I can. Yes, I can. I'm so happy.
Welcome to the call. Welcome to the call. What country are you in?
I'm from Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria currently.
Nigeria. Congratulations. So we have one very important question. Are you a non-member of CashFX?
Yes, I'm a non-member. I was just invited by Elendo George.
Oh, Mr. George. Mr. George has another winner. Wow. George Alessi.
He's laughing in the chat, George.
Of course he is, because you know what George is doing? George is taking advantage of these webinars. He's telling everybody he knows about CashFX.
And he's invited them to the calls.
That's it. It's all it comes down to.
We kept saying it. I mean, if you're using, listen, come on, guys. Okay, yes, Nigeria has won a lot, but not only Nigeria. We have South Africa that won quite a few also. We have UK that won a few. Hey, we had winners all over. Mexico.
All over. We had a new winner. Where was yesterday's winner?
Canada, USA.
All over.
Jamaica the other day. India.
Jamaica.
I mean, guys. Please, you should be
Chidozie, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Opara,
Thank
you
you.
don't look happy enough. You want us, because usually we only give Bitcoins away to somebody that's happy. Are you sure you're happy?
I'm so excited. I wasn't even expecting to be the winner for today.
But
Congratulations,
listen,
my
get
friend.
with George. George, you know the drill. We'd like a little video. We'd like a written testimony, a photo, and of course, his Bitcoin wallet so we can get him set up and get him started. Okay, guys?
Thank you so much. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
You're welcome. Hey, Jeremy, why don't you come off mute and close up the call and tell these people what they need to do to get started?
All right, guys. So, guys, you have just witnessed something that is life-changing. It's an amazing opportunity. And you know what Richard Branson says, if somebody shows you an amazing opportunity and you don't know all the facts, you don't know how to do it, just say yes and just get involved with us. And, this is something that is going to change your life, guys. This is something I want to tell you as well. In my last 7 years of pursuing Forex success, I have spent over $10,000 on education, tools, resources, all that kind of stuff to learn how to trade Forex. And what we have here is a all-in-one business. You're going to learn how to trade, you're going to earn while you're doing it, and you're going to be part of this amazing community, right? And who doesn't want to be a Forex trader who is able to share these experiences and amazing stories with people all around the world? So guys, just get back to the person who invited you to this call, get a link, get plugged into our system, and
Plug
I
in.
will see you on the other side in Punta Cana. Let's go, guys. Have a good
Go.
weekend.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys on the next webinar.
Peace.
Much love, respect.
So there you have it. There you have it, guys. This program is like literally blowing up. I mean, if you are not involved in CashFX yet and you're still trying to figure out what to do, I'm telling you, just get in now and figure out all of that later, because this is a monster. This is a beast. We are literally signing up over 300 people per day, which that is just mind-blowing when you think about it. I really just in awe about this whole process, this whole program. Like, I am not, I'm telling everybody I know, you get in now, you have a chance to run with us. You have a chance to grow your secondary income, and then perhaps walk away and make it your primary income. So that's all I got, man. If you caught the last part of the webinar, and I wanted to show that because I want to let you guys know that this is what we're about. We're serious about helping 100,000 families become financially free. All right. So that's all I got for now. As always important, I want to wish you love, peace, and freedom, because that's where I'm headed. I hope that you are too. Thanks, and bye for now.